Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you to solve a quadratic equation using Python. This is a general formula of a quadratic equation, which you see in my slide. Okay, a where ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of our quadratic equation, and a, b, c are the constant term. Today we are solve a normal, or you can say a simple equation using Python, which have any integer value, which x has a x variable has a any integer value. For furthermore or upcoming videos, I'll show you how to evaluate the float value also. I'm using Replit compiler to solve this equation. So let's begin our calculation, or we start our program. First we start with the variable x. Okay, we give a value, initial value or initializing value 0, and then using while loop, because we don't know the value of x, for that the quadratic equation solving, for that value we are solving, so we use the while loop. If we know, we use the for loop. So using while loop, while, now I start the condition. What is the condition? First, today we are looking for a normal, which a simple quadratic equation. That's mean it has only 0 and 1 value. Okay, so like that. First, very simple, x square. 2 star means it is an power, 1 star means it is a multiplication. If this value not equal to 0, in that case what we should do, we increment our x. This is the value. We can also write as a, this is the short form, actually we can write as a x plus 1. Okay, till when it not be, it will be not 0, because when this statement is true, it will the while loop is automatically stopped. Now we print our x value. Okay, so let's see, guys, you can see that the result is true.